So guys, the Google Pixel 3 XL leaks in full glory. Yep, that ugly notch is real. So these are the first high definition pictures of the Pixel 3 XL, and the notch has been a controversial topic ever since we saw it on the Essential phone and more popular on the iPhone X. Some people don't mind it, some kind of like it, but a lot of users just plain hate that cutout on top of many modern smartphones. And it appears that Google decided to be worst offender with how it designed its own notch, because this thing is huge and deep, not a sight many fans wanted to see it. And one thing more, the phone has a rather large chin too. Granted, both of these designs elements are there to house a duo of front-firing stereo speakers, which is always cool to have, but the whole design may need some getting used too. So here is the unboxing picture. What about the rest of the box contents? Aside from two USB adapters, data cable and wall plug, we see a new set of earbuds. These are designed like weird version of Pixel Buds that Google launched last year. You've got an adjustable hoop on each earbud, allowing you to fine-tune the fit so that you can get the earphone to stay in place without causing you pain. And guys, of course, there's a small chance that this unboxing picture could be a huge fake. It's the internet. Everything should be doubted, sure. But in comes another set of high quality photos tweeted by Tech Pundit. It seems like this is what the Pixel 3 XL is going to look like. And guys, that's not all. We have a picture which reveals some key specs about the Pixel 3 XL, which we've heard about before. A large 6.7-inch display with 1440 by 2960 pixel resolution, making it an extra wide display with a ratio of 18.5:9, which is the same ratio as on the iPhone X, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 of processor with 3430 mAh of battery. So guys, what do you think about these leaks? Did you like the Pixel 3 XL or not? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.